Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add link in your Instagram post. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap the plus sign at the bottom of your screen and select post. So from here, just select a photo or video that you want to post to your profile and modify it as necessary. And to add the link as your caption, as for me, I already have the link copied to my clipboard, so let me just click this, write a caption, and then paste the link in here. Click OK. Again, modify the settings as necessary, and once you're satisfied, click share. And that's how you can easily add link to your Instagram post. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!